Hey nonprofit world, Andrea Cortissoz here from HR Soul, one of this year's NLC's Leadership Conference Breakout facilitators. I am so inspired to be able to share at this year's exciting conference. The theme, Leading Bravely, Acting Boldly, truly spoke to me as we coach and train leaders in this every day, and it's so badly needed. Building on the conference theme, be sure to join my breakout session, Great Minds Don't Think Alike, Nurturing a Culture of Cognitive Diversity. Wait, what? Great minds don't think alike? Yep, you heard it right. Got your attention now? We all strive for workplace diversity, but miss so many opportunities when we only focus on embracing our visible differences. There's a whole other side to individuals as well that need to be explored and embraced. We need to embrace that uniqueness that comes from within us as well. So why take time out of your crazy schedules to listen to me speak for 45 minutes? To find out why great minds don't think alike, to understand the what, so what, now what behind cognitive diversity. What is it? Why does it matter? And why does it matter now more than ever? How it positively affects organizations, teams, and individuals, and then the greater society and communities because of it. And how can you bring these insights back to your own world? Can't think of a better way to lead bravely and act boldly. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hope you're as excited as I am for the virtual conference on October 13th. Please remember to register for the conference and my exciting breakout by visiting at nlctb.org. See you there.